I used to have to cover my face because I was embarrassed that I had ugly teeth. I was horrified of dentists because I had many bad experiences.
Madison's story is one that really touches my heart. She had some problems and some issues that unfortunately her teeth were not able to be saved.
Before Dr. Salem and I came up with a treatment plan, I was having lots of pain. I wasn't able to eat things that I wanted to eat, and I wasn't able to smile. Together we were able to build a plan and make it work so that we were both happy.
We decided after many long discussions to remove her teeth and to give her a prosthetic that would allow her no more pain, no more cavities, no more perio disease, and to smile with dignity and to really change the course and the path of her direction of her life.
I was able to smile again. I didn't have to cover my face. I didn't have to worry about what I was going to eat because everything was feeling great. I left with a smile on my face.
She really has enjoyed a better quality of life with a happy, beautiful smile.